Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna just do a little. This is not really an unboxing. I'm gonna say a little review on this Sandisk Extreme Plus micro SD card. I bought this at Walmart for like 26 and change. Yeah, like about $26, somewhere around there. And the difference, let me just tell y'all, the difference between they have some cheaper ones and with the same name, but the difference with this Sandisk memory card, at the top, see what it say right here? This is why it's so expensive. This is a 32 gig, and it said speed up to 100 megabytes per second, I'm guessing. And it good for, as what you can see at the top right here said works with GoPro, and also I can't remember the name of this product up here. I really can't remember. But yes, it records, it basically saves 4K Ultra HD videos for certain cameras that's recorded in HD. Now the cheaper one, which is the same memory capacity. They have some for like $12, some for $10, some for $16 for the 32. But some of them say HD and some of them said full HD. So basically when you're going to look for a memory card and you have an HD camera, or the camera records in 4K, you got to make sure you go and get a SD card that recommends 4K quality, 4K capacity memory card, because it won't perform the same way as if you get the HD SD card or the full HD SD card like the 4K. So that's the difference between this one. That's why this one costs so much money, which is 26 bucks, and the others be like $10 or $12, somewhere around there. Because this one is recommend for like GoPros and 4K Ultra video cameras that's record in 4K, because it's recommended for this. But thank you guys for watching this quick video. Please like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. You could share, leave comments, tell me what you think. And this is just the difference between different Sandisk memory card. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out and bye bye.